Welcome to a peaceful morning on the farm. The sun is gently spreading its golden light over the lush fields, creating a sweet and relaxing green landscape. The sheep are resting in the warm sunlight, looking like fluffy white clouds floating on the green field. Here are the piglets playing and running with their mother in the pen. They're like innocent children, full of energy and happiness. The field is lush green, the air is fresh, everything is peaceful and relaxing. This place is a paradise for those who want to escape the noise of city life. The mother pig gently cares for her little piglets. They eat grass and play together, creating a picture of harmony and love. The piglets are like fluffy white clouds floating on the green field. They run, jump, and explore the barn area with overflowing happiness. A small dirt road leads us through different barn areas. Here, each animal species has its own space to live, eat, and rest. The warm sunlight spreads over the field, creating a peaceful and colorful picture. The chicks are eating outside their coop, raised in a safe and airy environment. They're like well-cared-for children, full of energy and happiness. This is a safe and airy space for chickens and ducks. They are nurtured in a natural environment, full of love and care. A brown chicken is walking around the pen, and there are separate pens for the chickens and ducks. The sign reminds visitors to be gentle with the animals and not to chase them. The green fields stretch as far as the eye can see. The air is fresh and clean. This place is a true paradise for anyone who wants to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. The little goat is playing in the pen, so playful, and that black lamb is eating grass. It's so cute. This little black lamb is so adorable. It's looking at us with its bright eyes. Sheep are calmly grazing on the lush green grass, enjoying the fresh air and warm sunlight. The path takes us to different pens. Every animal has its own space to live, eat, and rest. The warm sunshine dances on the fields, creating a peaceful and colorful landscape. Thank you for joining me on this farm adventure. It's a place of peace and close connection to nature, offering moments of relaxation and joy.